So then Musa just rose up to Firawn. He knows Allah is taking care of me. وقال موسى يا فرعون إني رسول من رب العالمين حقيق على ألا أقول على الله إلا الحق. He said, I speak about Allah Azza wa Jal only the truth. Why? I've been sent by the Lord. I can't speak about him lies. I don't speak about him lies. حقيق على ألا أقول على الله إلا الحق. So then if I've been sent from the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the real one, you're a fake one, he's the real one. By the way, why did Musa say Rabbil Alameen? Brothers, the Quran is ajib. Don't brush over these ayat without pondering. فَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ أَمْ عَلَىٰ قُلُوبِهِمْ أَقْفَالُهَا. They do not ponder over the Quran, or are they locks on their hearts? Musa said Rabbil Alameen. Fir'aun said, أَنَا رَبُّكُمُ الْأَعْلَى. I'm the Lord most high. He believes he's the Lord of the people. They worship him. But everyone knows that Fir'aun doesn't control the Alameen. The Alameen is the worlds. The world of the jinn and the angels and the animals and the sun and the stars and the moon. He doesn't control the stars. He doesn't control the moon. So everyone sees Fir'aun as the Rabb, the Lord. But when Musa said, I've been sent by Rabbul Alameen, the one who controls that which we know you don't control. Do you control the night, Fir'aun? Do you control the day? Do you control the sun? Just by mentioning that word, everyone's like thinking, wait, Rabbul Alameen, this must be serious. He's been sent by someone bigger than Fir'aun. And people will start to think, Fir'aun doesn't control the Alameen. He doesn't control the worlds. He doesn't control the sun, the stars, the moons. That's for the Rabbul Alameen to do. And if I've been sent by him, I'm not going to speak about him a lie. أرسل معي بني إسرائيل. So send back with me the children of Israel. Send them back with me. Because Fir'aun had oppressed Banu Israel.